Hey guys, Toilets Rock here, and today I'll be flushing my American Standard Cadet toilet. I do not know the date, so that's why I did not say the date. I'm really happy I got this toilet. It was actually for free from Facebook Marketplace. I was supposed to get a Universal Rundle Alta's toilet, but then when I saw this toilet for free, I decided to get this toilet. Me and my father picked it up, and yeah, I have this toilet now, so yeah. The tank is overfilling, so let's give the toilet a flush. The flush is absolutely awesome and beautiful. So now I will give this toilet a left side flush. All right, I'm now back, so let's flush it with this side view. Awesome. I do apologize that there are some stains in the bowl. I will try as much as I can to remove them, but now I will give this toilet a right side flush. Awesome. So now I will give this toilet a close-up flush, and then I will end the video. Here's a close-up flush. Now I am going to end the video. Overall, this toilet is really awesome. I love the flush on this toilet. These are one of my favorite toilets. I am going to keep this toilet a little bit just because I love this toilet and it's the best toilet that I had so far. So once I get another vintage toilet, I will sell this toilet. And I also might be getting a cadet toilet, but in a maroon color, which is a dark red color. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. And this is the overfilled tank flush.